talk with Mayor Pete Buttigieg.
Got it.
Pete Buttigieg. Mayor Pete was recently... Mayor Pete is here tonight. And Mayor Pete was recently honored with an original...
The Mike Pence versus Pete Buttigieg. It seems like...
Put a lot of thought into it. I appreciate that. Thank you. Mayor Pete Buttigieg, everybody.
And is the author of a new memoir entitled Shortest Way Home, One Mayor's Challenge, and a model for America's future.
He's only 37. Pete Buttigieg boasts an impressive resume. First elected mayor of his hometown.
Talking about Pete Buttigieg on Fox News.
And a model for America's future. Please welcome Mayor Pete Buttigieg.
Here's a closer look at his life and his career.
Is running to be the next president of the United States. Please welcome Mayor Pete Buttigieg.